All right, here we go with our skill review. Walking into the dip, hold the pose, practice your control as you go around, reaching that arm high and transitioning into your back knee hook. Here I'm taking the inside arm off for the variation, and then watch as I just let the hips swing around. You're really gonna have to pull down on the arm for that one. Getting ready to go to the other side. 3 steps starting with the inside leg. 1, 2, arm up, 3, leg 4. Oh, I had a little wobble. It's okay, here we go. Reaching up high, letting the leg take you around. And then I'm gonna do the other exit here, just letting my feet glide along the floor to stop me and coming out. Moving on to our spinning sit. Outside leg straight, kick up, drop 1 and release. Reaching underneath to find the pose and then releasing the back hand without immediately coming up. Then I come around to the side, heels, and release. Good, let's go the other way. Straight leg, kick up, drop the hand 1 time, release back. Find the pole on the opposite side, adjust if you need to. Arch back, practice releasing the hand without immediately coming up. Reach around to the side. Then up, then twirl out. All right, here we go with our climbing skill. So doing a little baby spin, knees to the elbows, going back to come up, regrip in the legs, and then I'm taking my right arm around because my right leg is behind to go into diva. Reverse. And this one I'm just gonna slide down, keep twirling out towards the spin as you exit. Second side. Remember, knees to elbow, stand up slowly, regrip in the thighs, and then take the arm around and smear. Reverse it. This time I'm bringing my knees in front of the pole, keeping it in the thighs and letting it slide. Thank you guys for a wonderful month and have fun practicing.